Welcome to Crypto News. We're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin and Ethereum prices. Also, if there's any news available out there and anything that might be catching our eyes. Currently, Bitcoin is at $4,058. It is down from its record high. It was around, I heard and seen, it was at 4,400, and then people started taking their profit taking. Also, if we notice here, if we get a little closer, it looks like we might be getting a little bit of a head and shoulders there on the big curve up and coming down. But also, it is looking still pretty healthy. Ethereum, let's take a quick look over there at Ethereum. Ethereum is at $282.44, and this is all on Polynex. Let's go ahead and see if there's any news out there. Not too much news out there for Bitcoin. Bitcoin basically, anything I've been seeing here is that taking profit taking from its record highs. Also, one interesting thing is on Ethereum, it's time for an upgrade, which should be coming right after Bitcoin's been upgraded. I'm sure Ethereum's going to need to come up. There's also some competition out there. Over in China, I believe they have a coin called Neo, and also EOS, which is being heavily marketed on Steam. EOS seems to be doesn't seem to be doing so well, but you'll notice that EOS does seem to go up when Ethereum starts to come down. We're going to go ahead and jump over here real quick to Ether Delta to see what's going on there. Our top coins for today is ZRX. And up here in Ether Delta, if you want to know more about ZRX, you can click on the name. And it's the oxproject.com. It's a token trading protocol. Basically, it's based off of Ethereum. And you can go click on the site. We'll check it out real quick. It says, as the token space continues to develop, the need to exchange these assets will be compounded. OX protocol will act as a critical piece of infrastructure for the token economy, allowing Ethereum smart contracts to programmatically and seamlessly exchange Ethereum-based assets. Also, the top ones are the CDT. And we can go over here and learn more about the CDT. CDT is actually pretty interesting. They actually already have a website up, and basically you're supposed to be able to piggyback off of other investors and invest in what they're doing. You can see whoever's doing the top, who's investing and doing the best, you can actually piggyback off of them with this coin. So Coin Dash is what they call it. Also, we got PPT, which is the, I believe that is Populous token. Populous token, let's see here. Yes, then it's basically for selling invoices. Supposedly, they are coming out with some changes coming up here this month through next month, and should be rolling out more in January. We got DNT. And we have Veritasium, we have Dice. Dice is interesting. It was, I think I started watching Dice when it was about 0.011. It's made it up to 0.03, and now it's back down to 0.018. Another one that people have been talking about is Pillar, and that right there is a new startup company, and they actually do YouTube videos pretty constantly to keep users up to date on what they're doing. We can go over here and check it out a little bit more on Pillar. It says Pillar Wallet is the next generation open source wallet that will become the dashboard of your digital life. They got a few other extra things going in there. I think they have 5 parts that they're working on. And let's go ahead and check out ADX real quick as well. ADX is a blockchain-based and ad exchange aiming to disrupting the existing online advertising landscape and address its significant problems. Advertising fraud, privacy, and consent to receive Sponsored messages. Not too sure about this. This just seems to have popped up on here lately. I haven't seen it that much at all. But anyways, that is our quick roundup of what's going on out there in the cryptocurrency world. I appreciate it, and you all have a great day.